Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to watch TikTok videos if banned in your region. So there's the only way you can just use a virtual private network which is called a VPN. So here's the step-by-step guide to see how to bypass restrictions. So the first thing is that you will just open your app store, or if you have Android phone, so you will just open your Play Store. So from here you will just download the VPN. Any VPN you will just download for free. I have iOS device, so I will just type VPN for iPhone free. So I will just recommend it of this VPN super unlimited proxy. So I will just download it and I will just tap to open it. So from here I will just tap to continue. So the network is continue. So successfully you will just bypass restrictions. So I will just open my TikTok account and I will just refresh it. I will just again open it. So this is how to see if the app is banned in your region. So you will just connect the VPN and the videos will be played. So if this video will be, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.